Okay, so welcome to this video. We are going to find the area of an oblique triangle. Okay, so how do we find the area of a triangle which is not right angled? Okay, so for example, if you have this here as your triangle, okay, let's say this is my angle A, and then I have my angle B, then I have my angle C. Okay, so we know that the opposite side to this angle will be the side A. The opposite side to this angle C will be the side C. Okay, the side C here, and then the opposite side to the angle B will be the side what? B. Okay, so if you have such a triangle, okay, you only need three things in order for you to find the area of that triangle. Okay, so you need a side, an angle, and a side. Okay, so this angle here should be between these two sides. Okay, so if for example I have side A, okay, and then I also have side B, and then I have angle C, then it means the area of the triangle will just be equals to 1 over 2 A multiplied by B, and then sine what? C. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use in this case. Okay, there are also some scenarios. What if you have this angle here, the B, and then you have side A and C? So it means your area there will be given by 1 over 2. You multiply the side that you have, so we have A and C. Okay, so it will be AC and then sine what? Angle B. Okay, you can also have, okay, you have angle A, and then you have side B and side C. So it means your area there will just be equals to 1 over 2. Okay, the side that you have is B and C, and then you have sine what? A. So it depends on the sides and the angle that you have on the formula that you're going to use. Okay, but it's basically the same formula. Okay, so now let's solve the question that we have. Okay, let's solve the question that we have. So that triangle there that we've been given, okay, let's say let's label it. Okay, so let's say this is A, this is B, and then this is C. Okay, so it means this side here will be my small letter A, this side will be B, then this side will be side C. So which side do I have? Okay, so you see that I have side A, and then I have side B, and then I have this angle here C between the two sides. Okay, so you always have to make a side, angle, side. Okay, so let's calculate the area. So the area will just be simply 1 over 2 AB, and then sine what? Angle C. So this will be equals to 1 over 2, side A is 12, multiplied by side B, which is 14, and then multiplied by sine C, which is 65 degrees. Okay, so you simply just have to punch in these values now onto your what? Your calculator. Okay, let's punch. So we have half multiplied by 12 multiplied by 14. Okay, I'm going to get 84, and then multiplied by sine 65 degrees. So punch this into your calculator. So it will be 84 multiplied by sine 65. Okay, so I'm getting 76.129851. Okay, so you can round this off to what? To 2 decimal places. Okay, so we can come here up. We're going to say our area is just equals to 76.13, okay, centimeter what? Cubic. Centimeter squared, I mean, because this is area. Okay, so it will be centimeter squared, like that. Okay, so this here is our area, and that's the end for this video.